Good morning, this is Vance, and this is Tuesday, April 4th, 2017. And these are the CL trades for today using the slow hand method for price action. Just a pre-market kind of quip, just a few minutes. I'm going to try to get this up very quickly, just a few minutes I'm going to do here. A couple of things I want to talk about. The first thing is that overnight we had a decline of price below $50 a barrel. And that comes on the heels of what happened last week. This is Friday. You can see that price was kind of stuck in a range until really, close, kind of poked its way up. Yesterday we had pricing starting after market open on Sunday night. Price kind of rotated down somewhat. This is there was really the first move that happened really near the open, had a bit of a pullback, and then later mid-morning we had another decline, and then price tried to grind its way back up. And then the overnight, last night, we've had price come back down, move back up into the same kind of range that we had yesterday, or just before we had this strong move down mid-morning, and this is where we are currently right now. Now, what are we looking for today? What am I looking for today? Well, there's two options. Number one, remember the overnight. We had this This is right now we're at 50.42. We had that move up yesterday, to a high of 50.83, and $50 is the real number. So there's two options right here. Either number one, prices are going to, once we get the open, which is in 15 minutes, are we going to see prices move up in this direction, maybe find some support over this tight 15-tick range and move higher, try to make an assault on 51, or are we going to rotate down and retest this area that we had for the overnight? Right now, those are really the two options. Either price is going to move up or move down. What I'm looking at now is that this area here is kind of solidifying, especially just pre-market for the last hour or so. And once the opening bell occurs at 9 o'clock, we'll see where prices are even pushed down. The other scenario is that we might have sellers come in, push markets down just somewhat to a short area, maybe to this area right here, and then we'll see a bounce at this area as well to maybe start a rotation between this current yesterday's low, which was at 50.12, and maybe 50.50. That maybe we see something in that direction. However, bottom line is that we're either going to go higher from this area or lower from this area, and then rebound. Do I think that prices are going to decline below $50 and hold, and is this going to be a beginning of a sell-off? I don't think so, but that's speculation for perhaps tomorrow or the day after. Remember, I'm looking at rotations of anywhere from 50 cents to $1, and that's what I do for the regular trading hour. So that's what I'm sticking to at this point in time. So we'll see how things go, and I'll come back on later and give you a bit of an update. I'll see what a final recap says and see how this actually played out. This is Vance. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.